Body odor. A health problem that cannot be resolved right now. Body odor can derive from several parts of the body, and it varies for every one of us. Some people also have peculiar odors on their hair. The sweat glands of their scalp are dense, and secrete sebum vigorously that cause sweat odors. Excessive foot sweat can cause tinea pedis and beriberi. Some skin diseases can also cause body odor. Everyone has their own body odor. Those with excessive hair volume odors are even worse, and the most worrying cause is genetically inheritance. Surgical operation is not only unable to resolve this issue, but also brings side effects to own health. Bad smells of odor affected many people's behavior, for being shameful and depressing. Currently perfume and deodorant are unable to overcome the smell of body odors. It is also a health problem that cannot be resolved at the moment. Oracle Medical is one of the leading companies in the world. We have good news for you. We developed ODORLES using the latest water-souble herbs and Ag plus Cl black tech technology to penetrate your skin glands safely and demolish bacteria while moisturizing your skin. ODORLES is nano-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, aluminium paraben-free, made from natural ingredients. Effectively neutralizes body odor and easy to use liquid spray on formula. ODORLES, proudly made in Malaysia, suits everyone to be in good smell, including babies. It is simple and easy to use. Just shake and spray on both armpits, hands, legs, pancreas, bottom part of breast, and private part 1 to 3 times a day. This 100% natural formula without chemicals is safe for daily use. You can repeat as often as required, depending on the individual's bacterial level. Once demolished, your body will release its natural beauty smell, and you will love it. Enjoy. Dear, you deserve to enjoy your day without body odor. You are worthy.